Look what I see, you guys. Fall decor. And guess what, you guys? My store doesn't even have back to school yet. You guys, welcome to my channel. I'm trying to be quiet and not do a super loud intro. But you guys, I was totally expecting to come in here today and see back to school stuff. Does my store have any? I don't know. I don't think so. Nope. No back to school stuff whatsoever. You guys, I just left Aldi and I spent like $43 and I got a whole cart full of stuff. I am so happy. I'm actually really happy about grocery shopping again now that I've been going to Aldi these past couple weeks. But yeah, you guys, I don't see any new back to school items here in my store. Excuse me, honey. Let's cut back here. Maybe they put it on the back to school aisle. There's some new candles. Pure tea leaf. It's metal. New warmers. This one is so cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. What are these? Let's see. Are they trinket dishes? They are. Those are really pretty. They definitely look like they cost more than $1. What do you guys think? Looks like the diffusers are back. Oh, and the clear little, what are these? Trinket trays. Smile. Find beauty in the small things. More sleep, more music, more coffee, more dancing, more happy, more love. Aww. Look, you guys. Succulents. It says welcome home. Home sweet home. You got this. It's cute. Happy camper. Keep it simple. We have another one back there too. Wander more. With my whole heart for my whole life. Groom rules. Okay, so these are wedding themed. Remember to be patient, forgive, listen to each other, have fun and laugh, be friends, communicate often, always say I love you, be friends, kiss each other goodnight, live happily ever after. Write your own story. It's a little wall plaque. What's this one? Wild and free. That's cute. They have little stand-up photo frames. Oh my gosh, I love this. I have to get this. Look at that. I wonder if there's any more. Or maybe it's the last cactus baby. Let's see, maybe there's some more up here. I really, really like that. My store has more of the cactus and the ones with the flower. Home is where the wine is. Love the wine you're with. Like, love the one you're with. Good vibes. You guys wanted to see Decor. So here we are. Faith, family, and friends. Family is everything. Live for the moment. It has a little clippy thing up here. Farm, sweet farm. Wild and free. Our nest is best. We are forever grateful. Laundry. Wash and fold service. Premium 24/7. Coffee, mocha, latte, espresso. This little photo album down here is succulent themed, and they have some other themes too, like butterflies and flowers. My store really stocked up on the glassware, the vases and the glass little, what are they calling these? The glass gems. The colorful sand. And the potpourri. Coastal breeze. Whew, that is really strong. I am seeing some back to school supplies.
All right, Keegan.
20 pack of markers. The big packs of glue sticks are back. So sorry, so sorry.
They make little vials.
They have the washable glue sticks. This is Elmer's. These are by Pentel. Ballpoint pens with a free pen. Look, you guys. More fall decor. More fall decor. The dish drying mats. I like to use these as placemats. The matching towels and the oven mitts and pot holders. And then I think these are plastic. Yeah, plastic tablecloths. And look what I found over here. Sunflowers. These are by Royal Norfolk. Ooh, look at the plates. The plates are really pretty. Free hugs. Are these new planner stickers? Look, you guys. New planner stickers. Ooh, look at these stickers. These are so cute. Oh, and look at these. Cute little laser stickers. Even My Little Pony stickers. And they're kind of puffy. Ooh, those are so pretty. Oh, cute. These are so pretty, aren't they? I think these are new too. These mechanical pencils. We have a lot of pens and everything here, but my store hasn't done the full-blown back-to-school display in the front yet. These are new. Mickey pencil top erasers and Fancy Nancy. Those are also pencil top erasers. I'm not seeing anything new over here in the makeup. Looks like they have a new Shimmer and Shine detangler. I wonder if it phased out the Barbie detangler that they had for years. The Barbie detangler was amazing. Glitter bath bombs. They have pure silk razors this week. I wanted to see if they had any new fall decor over here. They have a lot of name brand cups. I think these are all Stormtroopers by the Zach brand. These are really big. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me here in Dollar Tree. I'm gonna look at the food and the snacks, and then I'm out of here and off to record more videos for you guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, show me lots of love by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.